Namaskaram. I hereby read out my open letter to Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev. I am Lavanya, a student of Acharya Bhagwan Sri Shanmukha Anantanatha. I bring to your notice and to the notice of the public that the content of your talks on the great divinities are taken from Bhagwan Shanmukha's book Divine Initiation, published in the year 2001. The first draft was written in 1986. Let us begin with your recently released video on Jan 28, 2021 on the occasion of Thaipusam. The entire content on the great divinity Skanda is taken from chapter on Skanda, pages 210 to 216 of the book Divine Initiation. Similarly, in other videos of yours that have been previously released, the content of your talks are taken from the chapter on avatars, pages 73 to 85, and the topic of Krishna, a complete incarnation of the divine, is taken from the chapter Krishna, pages 58 to 72 of the book Divine Initiation, authored by Bhagwan Sri Shanmukha Anantanatha. You have also spoken on various other topics such as Vibhuti, Akasha, etc., all of which are lifted from Bhagwan's book and lectures. In yet another video, a conversation between Dr. Vasant Lad and yourself. Dr. Lad makes an incorrect claim that in your YouTube videos you are speaking the principles of the Rig Veda and the Atharva Veda. The claim is incorrect because you have not read the Veda. It is only fair that you credit the source of the content of your talks, which is Bhagwan Shanmukha's book Divine Initiation. Bhagwan states in his book clearly that he is writing from the Rig Veda and the Atharva Veda. We have identified more than 50 videos where the content of your talks has been taken from Bhagwan Shanmukha's book and lectures. Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev, are you aware that your informants and script writers are illegally lifting these contents from Bhagwan Shanmukha's book Divine Initiation? It is quite evident from your videos where you yourself have stated that you have never read the scriptures, that you have never read the Bhagavad Gita, that you never got down to reading the Mahabharata even though you did an entire series on it, that you avoided learning Sanskrit because it clutters your mind, and that the Vedas are like a burden on your head. This makes it very clear that you, on your own, have no authentic knowledge to speak on the great divinities. It is very evident to us, the students of Bhagwan Shanmukha Anantanatha, that your informants, volunteers who write your script are definitely lifting it from our Guru Bhagwan Shanmukha's book and lectures, because the wisdom contained in these concepts, the etymology even across languages, are not known to most gurus, not even to Vedic, Indic, Oriental scholars. This wisdom has been uniquely decoded from the Vedas only by Guru Acharya Bhagwan Sri Shanmukha Anantanatha. Acharya Bhagwan Sri Shanmukha Anantanatha has been a Vedic scholar practitioner all his life. He has been teaching the Vedic and Yogic sciences to aspirants across the world for more than 40 years. He is the only living Tantric Guru who can explain Tantra and Yoga in its fullest form. The title Bhagwan is synonymous with the term Sarvadarshana Acharya, an Acharya whose initiation takes him to understand the whole science. To hold this title, one must be educated and initiated in the Veda and therefore in the various agamas and tantras. Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev, do you realize the amount of damage you are causing to innocent seekers by just parroting the content from Bhagwan Shanmuka's book and lectures? There is deep wisdom in the lectures of Bhagwan Shanmuka and in his book Divine Initiation, which you are unable to substantiate with an authentic understanding because you lack the culturing of a traditional learning system, and thereby you mislead innocent seekers with your fictitious suppositions on the same. As a call to action, I request you, Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev, to reply with your video acknowledging Bhagwan Shanmuka Anantanatha's book Divine Initiation as the source of knowledge and contents of your talks on the great divinities. And henceforth, please stop using the contents from Bhagwan Shanmuka's books and lectures. Further, I request you to drop the claim of being a Satguru because knowingly or unknowingly you have extremely abused the sacredness of the word. Namaskaram.